Ladies and gentlemen, time has come to feel good and look good. If you guys have watched my old school, it's been up on the channel for a while now, Chirp wheel, the original Chirp wheel, you're going to be in store for the next generation. Small, compact. Let's get them on out of here. You're like, Chris, what in the world is going on? That, my friends, is the 4-inch focus handles for what's inside here we're going to get to. You get your little brochure with it. You're like, Chris, what kind of unboxing knife is that? That's not. I think this is actually like a tile grout thing. I couldn't find my knife. But you know what I can find is the 4-inch focus wheel. Oh, yeah. Another brochure right there. Take a look how awesome that is. You still get your spinal channel canal right there. Same exact little pads for your back. Same color scheme. Oh, that's looking real strong. Okay. Like, Chris, what does it do? What does it do? What does it do? That is a great question. These are the handles. This is the 4-inch pressure roller. And so I know all of a sudden, out of nowhere, the rock climbers are going to be like, dude, I could roll out my forearms. The CrossFit guys are like my legs. The tush, you know what I'm saying? You got to roll it out. The body is a big muscle. So you pinch in these right here. This slides in like so. Clips in like that. These fold out on the sides, as you can see right there and there. To release it, real simple, push those in. That slides out. Those handles feel really nice, kind of grippy and nice. And this does roll, see, as you can see right here. So this rolls. The handles do not roll, but this rolls. This could even act like an ab roller if you really wanted to, being able to roll out. What's nice is that's super compact. I'm actually going to California for a trip, so this is definitely small enough to take in your suitcase if you're an athlete and you want to make sure you take your rollers with you. So again, if you've watched my 12-inch roller, you can stretch on that one with a little less pressure, and then as the size goes down, the pressure increases and the stretch decreases. So this little 4-incher, you're going to place that and it's going to loosen you up, make you feel good, make you look good. I'll tell you what.
All right, folks, good news. Well, good news and bad news. Bad news is the hotel carpet doesn't look very good. That's your typical hotel carpet. I'm on vacation and I brought the Chirp wheel. Fit right in my suitcase and we're looking great. Number one, been working out because my friends live here. They have garage gyms. We've been playing a lot of Frisbee disc golf. Get sore, start working it like this.
Get in there, boom. Looking really good. Hammies, quads, you name it. Calves, mountain biking, hopefully you can get the shot of this. Right here, boom.
Now, for you rock climbers or you CrossFitters that are doing farmer's carries, you might have to lay this on the ground. Let's go ahead and do that.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it out like this for your forearms, just like this. Now remember, you can remove the handle,
but you indoor rock climbers that get really tight through here, you need to roll it out. Absolutely, for sure.
Now you can keep the handles on if you want. And again, very specific. So it's not obviously like my larger Chirp one, but if you want to hone in and just work in a very tight compressed area, just relax it. Get that upper back right there, that little muscle that's just been killing you, and just roll it out. I'm doing this with the handles on, by the way. So if you want to keep the handles on,
you can keep them on, of course, or take it off if you really want it. Let's go ahead and get my lower back a little bit.
I don't have to tell you guys with the lower back, especially sitting at an office desk, sometimes you just need to roll it out a little bit. I've seen professional skiers use tennis balls on their glutes because they're so sore. Now you don't have to use a tennis ball, use one of these. Get that lower back, and you can even take the handles and roll out your lower back like this. If you have a helper, it could get where you can't get, but getting it right on your lower back. Again, you can sit down if you want. Get your tops of your legs. You can go underneath for your calves. You can roll it out. Switching over to the other one. Hit the bottom, switch over to the top.
And please, forgive my white legs. I'm from Colorado.
Really good for the neck as well if you don't want to lay down on it. And right there.
That right side, looking at my neck down there, very tight. It's definitely a cool little device. Travelable, check. We're on vacation, we put it in our suitcase. Even more travelable, if you want to take out the handle and just put that in your suitcase. Or separate, this could easily be put in a backpack, carry-on, you name it, it passes my test. Ladies and gentlemen, in the description box right below the video, once again, click on show more, description box pops down. This top link will be this precision 4-inch roller and handle combo. I believe you can buy them separately, so if you just want the 4-inch, I believe the handle is an add-on. Don't quote me on that one, but look for that link, top link in the description box below. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about, but if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. Also, if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, tech reviews, DIY projects, van life builds, and more. We will see you on the next video. Once again, your links are below. We'll see you on the next one. Take care for now. Bye-bye.
Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.